Welcome to Purely Active, your trusted source for fitness, wellness, and smart nutrition. Today, we're diving into one of the most nutrient-packed foods out there, the avocado. Here are 10 science-backed benefits of eating avocado regularly. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, great for heart health and reducing bad cholesterol levels. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help keep you full longer, making it easier to manage your weight without overeating. One avocado has around 10 grams of fiber, fueling gut health, improving digestion, and supporting regularity. You know, avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping to control blood pressure and muscle function. Pretty impressive, right? The healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants in avocado really nourish your skin from the inside out, boosting elasticity and giving you that natural glow. Eating avocado with other foods, well, it helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K much more effectively. Thanks to antioxidants and omega-9 fats, avocados may help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Avocados contain lutein and healthy fats that support cognitive function, memory, and focus, especially as we age. Unlike many fruits, avocados are low in sugar, making them perfect for low-carb or blood sugar-friendly diets. Avocados go with almost everything, sweet or savory. Add them to smoothies, salads, eggs, or eat them solo with a sprinkle of sea salt. Packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and flavor, avocados are a true superfood. Add them to your routine and fuel your body the smart way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Purely Active for more no-nonsense health tips.